Welcome, crypto enthusiasts, to another enlightening episode on Crytochino. Today we delve into the intriguing world of Arbitrum. Imagine you're in a bustling city with traffic so heavy it's causing gridlock. This is Ethereum, a city full of opportunities but hindered by its own success. Now imagine a superhighway built above the city to ease the congestion. That superhighway, my friends, is Arbitrum. Arbitrum is what we call an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution. In simpler terms, it's a layer built on top of the Ethereum blockchain to help it run more smoothly. If you're wondering why this is important, let's circle back to our city analogy. The traffic or transactions are so high on Ethereum that it's getting congested, slowing down the network and increasing transaction fees. This is where Arbitrum steps in. By reducing the load on the Ethereum blockchain, it's like adding that superhighway to our city. It takes some of the traffic off the main streets, making everything run faster and more efficiently. Now you might be thinking, why is this such a hot topic in the crypto world? Well, Ethereum is one of the most popular blockchains out there, and its high transaction fees and slow processing times have been a significant concern. By potentially reducing these fees and increasing transaction speed, Arbitrum could revolutionize not just Ethereum, but the entire crypto world. Let's not forget that Arbitrum doesn't change the rules of Ethereum, it plays by them. It's not a separate blockchain, but a layer that interacts with Ethereum. It's like adding an express lane to an existing highway without changing the highway's rules. So, in essence, Arbitrum is an ingenious solution that aims to make Ethereum faster and more efficient. It's like a breath of fresh air in a congested city, bringing about a new era of efficiency and speed in the world of Ethereum, and by extension, the wider crypto universe. So stay tuned as we dive deeper into how Arbitrum works, its advantages, potential challenges, and risks in the upcoming segments. Now that we understand what Arbitrum is, let's explore how it works. Picture Arbitrum as a super efficient middleman in the Ethereum network. Its main task is to take a load off Ethereum's shoulders by processing transactions off the Ethereum chain, or as we call it, off-chain. Here's how it happens. When you initiate a transaction, instead of going directly to the Ethereum network, it first lands in the Arbitrum layer. This layer is like a bustling backstage area where all the heavy lifting takes place. It's here that transactions are processed quickly and cheaply, far from the prying eyes of the heavily congested Ethereum network. But how do we ensure these transactions are genuine and error-free? Enter the validators. These guardians of the network take on the responsibility of confirming the authenticity of these off-chain transactions. They do this by running computations and checking them against each other. If everything checks out, the transaction is given the green light. Now you might be wondering, how do these transactions end up on the Ethereum network? Well, once the validators give their seal of approval, the transactions don't just march onto the Ethereum network. Instead, only a summary of all the transactions, a kind of final result, finds its way onto the Ethereum chain. This method is akin to handing in only the final answer in a math test, rather than showing all the workings. It saves a lot of space and time, making the Ethereum network more efficient and cheaper to use. It's also worth mentioning that while the validators play a crucial role, they don't have the final say. The Ethereum network acts as the final judge, verifying the correctness of the validators' work based on the summary provided. So, in a nutshell, Arbitrum improves Ethereum's performance by handling transactions off-chain and only posting the final results on-chain. This approach not only makes transactions faster and cheaper, but also maintains the security and decentralization of the Ethereum network. We could say Arbitrum is a win-win solution for the Ethereum community. Understanding the benefits of Arbitrum can help us appreciate its significance in the crypto space. So, let's delve into the main advantages Arbitrum offers. First and foremost, Arbitrum has the potential to significantly lower transaction fees. In the world of Ethereum, where high gas fees are often a pain point for users, this is a huge selling point. By offloading much of the computational work to off-chain nodes, Arbitrum reduces the burden on the Ethereum network, leading to lower transaction costs. Next up, Arbitrum can increase transaction speed. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrencies, every second counts. Arbitrum's unique design allows for quicker transaction verification, giving it an edge over traditional Ethereum transactions. This means you can get your transactions confirmed in a fraction of the time it would typically take on the Ethereum network. But the advantages don't stop there. One of the most significant benefits of Arbitrum is its ability to improve Ethereum's scalability. Scalability, in the context of blockchain, refers to the ability to handle a large number of transactions per second. As the Ethereum network continues to grow, scalability has become a pressing issue. Arbitrum addresses this issue by moving much of the transaction processing off-chain, allowing the Ethereum network to handle more transactions per second. This means that as the Ethereum ecosystem continues to expand, Arbitrum can help ensure it remains efficient and accessible. To put it simply, Arbitrum takes what we love about Ethereum, its security, its decentralization, its vibrant ecosystem, and enhances it by lowering fees, increasing speed, and improving scalability. It's like upgrading your car's engine while keeping the rest of the vehicle intact. So, whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just dipping your toes into the Ethereum pool, it's easy to see why Arbitrum is gaining so much attention. With its potential to enhance Ethereum's performance, Arbitrum certainly brings a lot to the table. Like any innovative technology, Arbitrum also comes with its set of challenges and potential risks. It's not all sunshine and rainbows in the crypto world, and Arbitrum is no exception. Despite its promise, there are several hurdles that it needs to overcome. One of the key concerns with Arbitrum lies in the technical domain. Since Arbitrum is a Layer 2 solution, it introduces additional complexity into the Ethereum ecosystem. This complexity can lead to unforeseen issues and vulnerabilities. Remember, the more complex a system is, the more room there is for errors or bugs to creep in. And speaking of bugs, let's talk about smart contract bugs. These are programming errors that can potentially lead to significant losses. Since Arbitrum relies heavily on smart contracts to function, any bug in these contracts can have serious implications. Although the Arbitrum team has gone to great lengths to ensure the security of its smart contracts, the risk can never be entirely eliminated. That's why it's always wise to remember the old adage, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Now let's shift our focus to the challenge of widespread adoption. While Arbitrum can significantly improve Ethereum's scalability, it requires the Ethereum community to adopt it. And that's easier said than done. Adoption of new technology often involves a learning curve and can be slow, especially when it involves changes to established routines and practices. For Arbitrum to truly shine, it needs to be widely adopted, and this is something that can't be achieved overnight. Furthermore, Arbitrum's success is heavily dependent on Ethereum's success. If for some reason Ethereum were to lose its prominence, this could significantly impact Arbitrum's prospects. Therefore, the fate of Arbitrum is somewhat tied to the fate of Ethereum. While Arbitrum presents exciting opportunities, it's crucial to be aware of its potential challenges and risks. Being informed is the first step towards making smart decisions in the world of crypto. As we continue to explore this fascinating universe, remember to stay curious, stay informed, and most importantly, stay safe. As we wind up our journey into the world of Arbitrum, let's recap what we've learned. We began our adventure by understanding what Arbitrum is. It's an exciting Layer 2 solution built on top of the Ethereum blockchain, designed to enhance scalability. It's like a high-speed train built on the existing railway lines of Ethereum, offering a faster and smoother ride for all those on board. Then, we delved into the mechanics of Arbitrum, exploring how it works. We discovered that it uses off-chain computation and on-chain storage to achieve its high efficiency. This is akin to doing the heavy lifting off the platform and only storing the final results on-chain, thereby reducing congestion and speeding up transactions. Next, we highlighted the advantages of Arbitrum, which are numerous. Notably, Arbitrum significantly reduces transaction costs and increases transaction speed, making it a game-changer in the world of decentralized finance. It's like having an express lane in a traffic jam, saving time and resources for everyone involved. However, we also acknowledge the potential challenges and risks associated with Arbitrum. Like any emerging technology, it's not without its uncertainties and potential pitfalls. The security of the system relies on the honesty of a majority of validators, and there is always the risk of bugs or vulnerabilities in the software. It's a reminder that with great potential comes great responsibility. Remember, as with any investment, thorough research and understanding are key. Stay informed, stay ahead. It's akin to being the captain of your own ship in the vast ocean of crypto. Equip yourself with knowledge, navigate with wisdom, and you'll be prepared for any storm. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the world of Arbitrum. Stay tuned to Crytochino for more insights into the dynamic world of cryptocurrencies. Remember to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Until next time, keep exploring.